Hi and welcome to Ocean AI. I just wanted to quickly run over this US dollar Canadian from today, the setup that was there and what I'm looking for from now. So firstly, I sent out this chart earlier for the Canadian, so looking for a low in around half one. And that's what we got here. So what we got was a nice retracement back into the 78%. So that there at 58 only gave us 10 points risk. So that's all we needed to risk for this one, because it was either going to work or it wasn't. And then what we got after that as well, which is something good, a nice little Gartley pullback after that. This one here, back into that 61%, and now we're moving away again. So this one's now a break-even trade, and what we're looking for is for it just to move up into this time here. So what we could get would be like an A, B, C, D off of this level. That would take it to 26.88, something like that. We could also look for the whole number at 127, or just trade it up to this time and see what happens. This possibility could also go through and keep going. Yeah, just looking at a few options with this, what happened with this one and things I look for and how I trade it. So yeah, hope this helps. Thanks for tuning in. Cheers.